In this video, I will be disassembling this 2017 Alfa Romeo Stelvio Xenon Headlight. Here's the part number on the light. I will begin by cutting off the rest of the lens. I've cut the lens off the light. I will begin by removing the T15 Torx screws holding on the black bezel. With the screws removed, we can pull the bezel forward. There are two wire connectors holding the front bezel to the main wire harness. Next, I'll remove the T15 Torx screws holding on this upper part of the projector. This bottom corner of the projector will simply lift up and out. The projector has three wire harness connectors. Next, I'm going to release the clip for the xenon ballast. Next, I'll turn the wire harness connector to the right and push it in. Next, I need to remove this T15 screw. Now I simply need to pull the wire harness free from the light. The wire harness is now out of the light. The headlight housing is now empty. There's one T10 Torx screw holding on the corner LED. Next, I'll remove the T10 Torx screws holding on this inner piece. Lastly, I need to disconnect this wire harness clip. Okay. There are three T8 screws holding on the turn signal LED board. I will begin disassembly of the projector by first removing the AFS motor. Next, I'm going to pull off the black shroud. The black bracket is held on by two metal brackets, one on top, one on bottom. I'm going to use an 8mm nut driver to release the four nuts holding them in place. The projector is now free from the bracket. The lens mount is connected to the bowl with 4 T20 screws. The light is now fully disassembled. Here's the corner LED. Here's the inner LED from the daytime running light. Here is the outer LED from the daytime running light. Here's the AFS motor. Here's the turn signal LED. Here's the AFS control board. Here's the projector lens and lens holder. Here's the projector bowl and bi-xenon solenoid. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.